Welcome to my channel. I'm Ledo. I'm a car photographer by night and entrepreneur by day. I hope y'all hear from the Poop content. If you don't know what Poop content is, it's a little series that I've been doing where I'm teaching people how to do car photography. Day 40 of car photography tips so your photos won't be poopy.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
A little bit of my backstory. Ever since I picked up a camera in high school, I've always wanted to be a photographer or something to deal with cameras. I love all the technology and everything that goes into camera work. I do have a degree in screen arts, which is just film production, but degrees don't matter. It's all about the practice that you have on a camera and your knowledge of the camera that really shows in the real world. On this channel, I'm going to share my experience with camera lenses, camera bodies, and other accessories that I think is needed in the car photography scene or just the photography scene in general. My hope for this channel is to upload 2 videos, long form, every month, and shorts like the Poop content and some other photography tips throughout the week will be sprinkled in. If you made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I'm on the road to 500 subs and we're gonna hopefully get there soon. My daytime job is actually, I started a media business with my partner back in 2020 and it's been going great. We have many clients that are on monthly contracts and we also just enjoy taking photos of people's events, their graduations, and other sessions like that. For my car photography, I actually created a brand, My Street Saga. And with My Street Saga, that's where all the Poop content comes from, that's where my Instagram page is, and you can also book sessions with me through my website. My website also has presets, so if you want presets for Lightroom, go check out the website. And I also have some merch, so if you want to support me there, that'll be great, so your photos won't be poopy. But we also have merch coming out almost quarterly, so go check that out at the website, linked in the description below. Welcome to my channel. I hope y'all enjoy. Please stay, enjoy the Poop content. And with that being said, y'all have a good one, and go shoot.